Rob Frazier here. This video I want to talk about my BLC plan. BLC. No, not BBC. BLC plan. Boost your leads and commissions plan. Also, you can use this to promote any business that you wish. So first off, this is a free funnel, free system. You get everything for free. Second off, if you stick around to the end of this video, I will show you the numbers and the proof from me using this exact strategy. Now, this is something that I've done in the background for the past 3-4 months, and I haven't been talking about it too much because I wanted to make sure it was super simple and that everybody could come on and work this plan. A lot of times in affiliate marketing, if you don't have a big email list, if you don't have a big following, if you don't have a big budget for advertising, you're not going to make it. But this system, with the numbers that I've been getting, it's been working. I mean, there's just no ways around it. And no matter what it is you're promoting, if you're network marketing, you're trading cryptocurrency, you have an affiliate program you want to promote, you're doing CPA marketing, this right here is one of the most perfect things to lead with, in my opinion. BLC, boost your leads and cash. Boost your leads and commissions. That's also the name of the 3 free programs you're going to join on the other side of this capture page. So if you're watching this on YouTube, underneath this video is going to be a link to this page right here. You can opt in and see the whole thing for yourself. This video also going to be in an email series, but this is just a bird's eye view of the system. And again, stick around to the end. I'll show you the numbers. Let me click on here to make sure my time is okay. Good, getting into it. When you're going to opt into this page, on this very next page, you're going to get it. A few years ago when I started affiliate marketing, I had my little shaky cell phone camera video. You need a business, you need a marketing system, and you need a traffic source. That 1-2 minute video I've done still applies today. You need a business, you need a marketing system, and you need a traffic source. Boost your leads and commissions. We have it here. So the very first piece is leadsleap. Join it for free, create a free account, watch this video. It'll tell you exactly what to do. The second piece, the cash juice plan. Boost your leads and commission. Leads, the first piece is leadsleap. That's the marketing system. Cash, commissions, following the cash juice plan. It just makes sense. I mean, it's just one of those things. The cash juice plan is a very simple plan that I've been following. And again, I'll show you the numbers at the end of this video. You create a free account. Again, leadsleap is the marketing system. That is the capture page here. It's going to allow you to start to build your email list. And yes, they have their own autoresponder that is highly effective. That's also can be used with your YouTube channel. But we'll cover more on that in a future video. Leadsleap, number 1. That's how you're going to get this funnel. You can get it for free. You can join a free version of it. The second piece, the Cash Juice plan. You join Cash Juice, you follow the Cash Juice plan. It is a very simple plan, a very simple way to get 500 clicks per day to your website. I have a lot more training on following the Cash Juice plan, but for now, get your free leadsleap account. You get that capture page, you get this presentation page right here. You get your Cash Juice plan. Again, you create a free account there. And then lastly, Infinity Traffic Boost. That's where the boost your leads in cash, boost your leads in commission, BLC, not BBC. Hope you get it. Anyways, dumb jokes aside, free leadsleap account, free Cash Juice system, Cash Juice. Okay, so again, the whole idea is to get people to come to this page right here. Leadsleap is where you're going to get this page from. Cash Juice will show you how to get 500 clicks per day to go to this page. That is the point. The third part, Infinity Traffic Boost, that is basically another place to go to get traffic to send here to this capture page. So basically the whole system is a lead generation, traffic generation, list building, resource. And the whole point is to use this whole system to get leads, get them on your email list, and be able to promote your primary business using this plan laid out. Very simple. Here is the numbers for the past 30 days. I was going to shoot this video on May 28th, but now it's the 31st, and here I am. So over the past 30 days, unique clicks 7,936, opt-ins 94. Now some people may be saying, well, that's not a lot of opt-ins. Well, it is the traffic that we are using, and it's not bad traffic. It is a super simple, super easy traffic source. We're using traffic exchanges. That's the whole basis. That's the first piece, using traffic exchanges. And you can see here, traffic exchanges and safe lists, but we're just going to focus on that cash juice plan first. Again, going back to the beginning of this video, I shared people can't get ahead in affiliate marketing because they can't get enough traffic. And they don't know how to work the different traffic sources. They don't know how to work the different traffic sources. I've come up with a plan and I've worked it in the background. This is coming from a guy who used to spend $5,500 a week in solo ads. I've wasted a lot of money on solo ads and other traffic sources. We're going to start here with traffic exchanges. And I will also share with you more numbers moving forward. But the whole point is, whenever you get 1,000 to 2,000 clicks from a traffic exchange, that's going to get you one solid lead. Now, 1,000 to 2,000 clicks, it is extremely cheap to buy that many clicks. I'm not sitting on traffic exchanges surfing. I'm actually buying clicks from traffic exchanges. And it's not a lot of money. I think I spend like $28 every week. Very, very simple. And I also have a monthly budget for a couple of other programs. But again, we can get to that in the future. But again, the past 30 days, spending less than 30 minutes a day on each of these traffic exchanges, just making sure my websites are good, making sure my clicks are coming from the right countries. Very, very simple. 94 leads over the course of the past 30 days. In the future, I will also make a commissions video where I talk about what I've earned from doing that, but that's going to be in a future video. I don't want to get too far in the weeds, but it's very simple. 3 pieces. Boost your leads and cash flow. Free leadsleap account, number 1. Cash juice plan, number 2. And infinity traffic boost, number 3. That is the first phase. Once you get those 3 pieces, and I'll actually include a link to my Facebook group within this system as well. You also get these share codes. These are my share codes. I've borrowed from other folks' leadsleap systems, but this is my own piece that I'm putting together for it. It's a very simple plan, and I'm going to be hammering this thing moving forward. And I also have a second phase where I get into basically the money flow, how we're promoting our business, what's the retirement plan, but I'll cover that in a future video. So BLC, boost your leads and cash flow plan. Very simple. Link is below. Name's Rob Frazier. I'll be dropping a few more videos talking about this in the future. But again, here's my stats from the past 30 days. I'm not going to show income. I'm just going to show clicks. Now again, this is from traffic exchanges and safe lists. Not a lot of clicks per, or not a lot of leads per clicks. However, the ratios always work out. Traffic exchanges, anywhere from 1 to 2,000 clicks, you're going to get one solid lead. So from there, you just scale up your clicks. Safe lists, 1 to 300 actual clicks of your emails. I'll cover this in a future video. You're going to get one solid lead. Solo ads, which is what I'm going to start buying to promote this system this next month, June 1st. That's anywhere from a 20 to 30%, 20 to 50% opt-in rate. So if you get 100 clicks, you're going to get anywhere from 20 to 50 leads. And from there, it's just a numbers game. So traffic exchanges is the first place we've put our focus in. Safe list is the second place. Solo ads is the third place. But from there, it's just a numbers game. You can just calculate it. This amount of clicks, this is amount of leads, this is amount of commissions. Very simple, straightforward. Any which way. Like, subscribe, leave a comment underneath the video. Again, the system's free. You get traffic for anything. I'm building a list of top people from top tier countries. I get a few people from a few other countries here and there, but again, very simple, straightforward plan that anyone can do. You don't have to be a YouTube star. You don't have to be buying solo ads. You don't have to be a social media influencer. You just follow my traffic exchange plan. You'll be all right. Any which way, link is below. Name's Rob Frazier. Stay tuned to the next video in this series, and I'll see you in the next one.